hoje a resenha na laje é tom. Fica até tarde pra cá.
Netiquette!
Wait, net I what?
Netiquette. It's basically etiquette.
It is a set of unwritten rules to be having a properly online.
Since we spend half of our lives on our phones,
Knowing how to be a decent human behind a screen is vital. So now, let's know the 10 core rules of netiquette.
Rule number 1. Remember the human. Would you say this to your face? If not, then don't type it. Rule number 2. Adhere to the same standards online as in real life. Well, being anonymous isn't an excuse to be a jerk or a criminal. Rule number 3. Know where you are in cyberspace. What's okay in a gaming chat isn't okay in school anymore.
Uy, gaming kung good morning, para mo-reply si miss, para matay respeto ba, hindi ka na good morning.
Ay, sige lang. Sante pa sa rangalia.
Dili mo good ni Gana. Malay mo, mabagsak pa ta siya, kaya matay respeto. Di lagi.
Rule number 4. Respect other people's time or bandwidth. Don't spam group chats with 50 memes or what. Rule number 5. Make yourself look good online. Check your spelling and know what you're talking about. Rule number 6. Share expert knowledge. If you know the answer, help a fellow student out. Rule number 7. Help keep flame wars under control. Don't fuel the fire. If people are arguing, stay neutral. Rule number 8. Respect other people's privacy. Don't read others' email or messages or share their secrets.
Ay, excuse me kuya, pwede mo mura mong cellphone?
Oh, ang tawag mo.
Kung na ko emergency chatan ba kay kanang nawala mo akong signal sa cellphone tapos dito ka online, kailangan ko lang tanong.
Sige. Kamita lang.
Thank you. Okay na ya, thank you kuya.
So, what?
Rule number 9. Don't abuse your power. If you're a group leader or admin, don't be a bully. Rule number 10. Be forgiving of other people's mistakes. Everyone was a newbie once. Be kind about typos.
So, what did we learn?
But seriously guys, etiquette is not just being a nice, it's not safety, sharing your home address or your vacation countdown. Tell burglar exactly where you are and where you go.
And remember, internet is forever. That funny post today could cost you a job or 5 years, but 5 years from now. Think before you click.
I learned that behind every avatar is a real person with a real life.
I'm definitely going to check my privacy settings after this.
In the end, netiquette is all about respect, responsibility, and privacy.
let's make the internet a better place. One post at a time.
And always remember, think before you click.